Uber just announced that they are bringing upfront earnings to more markets. Hey everyone, my name is Chris and welcome to the RideShare Guy. So Uber had promised that they are going to roll out upfront fares to most markets across the US by the end of the year. And they just announced that they are bringing on several new markets with upfront earnings, trip radar, and a couple other features. So if you're not familiar, it's pretty basic. You're going to now be able to see on the ride request screen that you will be able to know what the payment of the ride will be, where the pickup, the drop-off location, and a couple of other key things. So we got quite a few markets that upfront earnings is coming to, and one state in general that is probably going to like it because they originally had a condition that in order to see upfront fares or upfront information, you would have to take the last 5 out of 10 rides. Now that's going away. And that is parts of California, which oddly enough, we talked about that on Show Me the Money Club on a couple of episodes. And we also had yesterday's video talking about the problem with upfront earnings. And here we go. So parts of California will actually have upfront earnings with the exact dollar amount, not a range. Plus, they're also going to have no more condition with that 5 out of 10. There's no more acceptance rate in order to get upfront info. So make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you'll be notified when we go live with Show Me the Money Club, which is live Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. All right, so the markets that are going to get upfront earnings and trip radar starting on Thursday, the 29th. So that's just in a few days. They just announced it today. It's going to be rolling out on Thursday in a few days. The markets are Indianapolis, Pittsburgh, Connecticut, Chicago, Grand Rapids, Rhode Island, Birmingham, Alabama, Charleston, Columbia, Greenville, South Carolina, Las Vegas, Reno, and certain markets in California. So the markets in California are Santa Barbara, Fresno, Inland Empire, LA, Orange County, Palm Springs, Sacramento, San Diego, and San Francisco. So if you're in a market that does not have upfront earnings yet and you weren't part of that list that's going to start on Thursday, don't worry, they're probably going to be rolling it out to you very soon. Like I said, they are going to be trying to roll it to most markets by the end of the year. And I wouldn't be surprised if they started doing it to all markets, not just most markets like they had mentioned in a previous update. Now, we have a number of videos already on upfront earnings. So if you need more info on that, just head back, check out some of those videos, and you'll be able to have more info on what upfront earnings is, as well as trip radar. And now that it's coming to even more markets, we're going to be doing a big deep dive into upfront earnings and how it really affects you as a driver. So make sure, again, like I said, you're subscribed and ring the bell for notifications. This is going to be on our Show Me the Money Live, and we'll do a snippet of what upfront earnings is once we really get into that deep dive. So again, stay tuned for that. So as I said, if you do need a refresher or want to know what upfront earnings is, check out this video right here. And also, again, subscribe, ring the bell for notifications so you won't miss our upcoming videos, especially the deep dive into upfront fares for Uber drivers, how it's going to affect them. All right, everybody, drive safe.